He sneezed on stage and watched his dream leave the room. Rupert Hale, startup founder, London 2019. A neon book fell from nowhere and hummed like a radio from the future. It whispered one rule: stop chasing luck. Learn the lessons that make luck inevitable. The full recipe. It's written inside a strange, dangerous little book. Want to grab the most important book of your life for free?